Okay, welcome back. We are going to do number 3 now. Now, number 3, the first thing we ask, is it going clockwise or counterclockwise? And this is going clockwise. So it is going to have a negative theta. Okay, so we're going to take number 3 and it's not even a full rotation actually. So, oops, sorry, we're not going to have to add 2 pi to it this time, but we do need to find out how much each of one piece is. So these are 4 pieces per semicircle. So we have pi over 4, okay, is one piece. And so if we count how many pieces we have in this circle, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have minus 7 pi over 4 is going to equal theta, okay? Because that is the, it's going to be a negative angle. Now, to find the coterminal angle of that, we are going to add 2 pi. So if we take negative 7 pi, negative 7 pi over 4, and we add 2 pi. Now remember, we have to get a common denominator. So if we cross this out, we make this 8 pi over 4. And then we do our addition. Negative 7 pi plus 8 pi is going to be pi over 4. So theta is negative 7 pi over 4, and our coterminal angle is pi over 4. And that is number 3. All right, number 4. Number 4, again, we ask ourselves which direction is this going, and it is going clockwise. So it is also going to be a negative theta. Okay, so it's also going a full rotation. So we have 2 pi, and we need to find out how many pieces are in this little pi. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So pi over 12 is 1 piece. Okay, so how many pieces do we have? So we have 12 here, 13, 14, 15. So we have 15 pi over 12 plus, let me make sure I went the right way on that one. Yeah. Oh, we get back to here. I'm sorry. I didn't go the right way. That didn't sound right. Okay. We have to go this way. We're going clockwise. Sorry. Okay. So we go around a full rotation. That's 2 pi plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So 2 pi plus 9 pi over 12, which again can be reduced. This can be 3 and this can be 4. So 2 pi plus 3 pi over 4. Now we need to get a common denominator. So this becomes 8 pi over 4. And then this whole thing becomes 11 pi over 4 equals theta. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. This is a negative. Negative 11 pi over 4. We can't forget that. All of these have to be negative. Negative, negative, negative. This is a minus because we're going in the negative direction. Okay. So to get the coterminal angle, then we have to add 2 pi. So we have negative 11 pi over 4 plus 2 pi. And we would have to get a common denominator again. So this becomes 8 pi over 4. And if I add 8 pi over 4 to negative 11 pi, I'm still going to have a negative number. So again, that is not going to work. So we have to multiply 2 by 2 pi, which gives us 4 pi. And then I can create a common denominator. So if I have 4 pi and I want to make it over 4, I'll have 16 pi. So negative 11 pi over 4 plus 16 pi over 4 is going to equal 5 pi over 4, and that is our coterminal angle. Okay, that's number 4. Make sure you can see that in my camera. Yes, you can. Okay, number 5. Number 5. Okay, number 5 is back to going counterclockwise. So this little guy is going to be a positive figure, and it does do a full rotation, so we're going to add 2 pi. So we have 2 pi plus how many sections are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have pi over 9, and actually we have 3 of these, 1, 2, 3. So one section of this is pi over 9. Let me write this out step by step and not jump ahead. So pi over 9 equals 1 radian, or 1 section. And then 3, because our angle goes past 2 pi 3 sections. So it's 3 pi over 9 plus 2 pi equals theta. Okay, now we can reduce this. That's 1 and that's 3. So we get pi over 3 plus 2 pi equals theta. And then we have to make a common denominator. So we can take 2 pi and we can turn this into pi over 3 plus 6 pi over 3 equals 7 pi over 3, which is theta. Okay. All right, now we also need the coterminal angle of this guy. So if we take 7 pi over 3 plus 2 pi, we're only going to get, I'm sorry, that would be minus 2 pi. Minus 2 pi. We're only going to get 6 pi over 3 here, which will not make it negative. So again, we have to do 2 times 2 pi, which is 4 pi. Okay, so we have to make this a larger number to make it negative. So that's going to be 4 pi. Now we have to get a common denominator. So 4 pi over 1 is the same thing as 12 pi over 3. And that's going to equal negative. So 7 pi over 3 minus 12 pi over 3 is negative 5 pi over 3. That is our coterminal angle. Okay. And then finally, number 6, down here. Again, number 6 is going counterclockwise, so it's going to be a positive value. And we just have to see how many pieces there are to know what each one is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So there are pi over 18 is one section, okay? Is each section is pi over 18. So if we have 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, so theta is going to equal 25 pi over 18, okay? Now, we need to find the coterminal angle of this. So if we take, if we subtract 2 pi from this, we're going to have to find a common denominator. So 2 pi becomes 36 pi over 18. And then that becomes negative 11 pi over 18, which is our coterminal angle. Okay, so our theta is 25 pi over 18, and our coterminal angle is negative 11 pi over 18. All right, if you have any questions or anything, you can call me and I'll be happy to answer any questions, or text me if you have questions on how to do something. But we can go back and review radians and everything so you understand them more fully, and also switching from radians to degrees and back and forth. That's going to be an important concept for your final, but I just wanted you to be able to get this assignment turned in. Thanks, Dylan. Good luck.